Have you ever wondered how to achieve financial freedom? It's a question we've all asked ourselves at some point, and the answer lies in mastering the art of personal finance. It's a topic that permeates every corner of our lives, influencing our daily spending habits, our saving strategies, and our long-term investment plans. By understanding personal finance, we gain control over our financial future. Let's start with the basics. Managing daily expenses is about more than just paying the bills on time. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how to spend it. Saving for the future is not just about setting aside a portion of your income each month. It's about creating a safety net for unexpected expenses and planning for big-ticket purchases. Investing for long-term goals is not just about building wealth. It's about securing a comfortable retirement and ensuring financial stability for our loved ones. Understanding personal finance is essential for financial well-being, so let's dive in. The foundation of good personal finance is a budget. Begin by documenting your monthly earnings from all avenues, whether it's your regular job, any side gigs, or other income sources. Next, itemize your monthly outflows like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and leisure activities. To comprehend your financial standing, subtract your total expenditure from your income. If you're left with a surplus, pat yourself on the back. You're living within your means. However, a deficit is a wake-up call that you're spending more than you earn and need to make some adjustments. The key here is to strike a balance. A well-balanced budget not only ensures you have enough for your necessities, but also allows room for savings and investments. It's a tool that helps you live within your means today while planning for a secure future. Remember, a balanced budget is a cornerstone of financial health. Financial emergencies can happen to anyone. Are you prepared? Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately, some of these can be financially draining. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's a financial safety net designed to cover unexpected expenses that come your way. This could be anything from an unexpected medical bill, a sudden job loss, or an urgent car repair. So how much should you save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This gives you a buffer should you need it, and allows you some breathing room to make sound financial decisions, rather than panicking and making hasty choices that could lead to debt. Remember, it's not about the amount you save each month, but the consistency. Start small if you need to, and gradually increase your savings over time. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind during unexpected financial storms. High-interest debt can be a significant drain on your finances. This is a fact that can't be overstated. If you're carrying balances on credit cards or payday loans, you're likely paying a hefty sum in interest each month. This is money that could be put to better use elsewhere in your budget. The sooner you can eliminate these high-interest debts, the better. Not only will it free up money in your budget, but it will also save you from paying potentially thousands of dollars in interest over time. There are two popular methods to tackle this type of debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball involves paying off your smallest debts first, then rolling those payments into your larger debts. The debt avalanche, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first. Paying off high-interest debt is a crucial step towards financial freedom. And remember, every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to that goal. It's time to save and invest for your future. The journey to financial freedom doesn't stop at budgeting or paying off high-interest debt. It extends to growing your wealth and securing your financial future. This is where saving and investing come into play. Begin by contributing to your employer-sponsored retirement plan. These plans, like a 401(k) or a 403(b), offer tax advantages and help you build a nest egg for your golden years. But don't stop there. Consider opening an individual retirement account or an IRA to further boost your retirement savings. If you have specific financial goals, such as buying a house or funding your child's education, it's wise to create separate savings or investment accounts dedicated to these objectives. Remember, every penny saved is a step closer to your financial goals. Saving and investing are key to building your financial future. Investing can be intimidating, but it's a crucial part of building wealth. Let's simplify it. Imagine you're at a fruit market. You've got options: apples, oranges, bananas, and so on. Each of these fruits represents a different type of investment. Apples could be stocks, oranges might be bonds, and bananas could be mutual funds. Now, you wouldn't want to fill your basket with just apples, right? If apples go bad, you're left with nothing. That's where diversification comes in. It's about spreading your investments across different types, just like buying a mix of fruits. Stocks or shares in a company can offer high returns, but come with higher risk. Bonds, essentially loans to a company or government, provide regular interest payments, and are generally less risky than stocks. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified mix of stocks and bonds. Each of these has its place in a balanced investment basket. Understanding investment basics can help you make informed decisions and grow your wealth. When it comes to personal finance, it's essential to maintain a long-term perspective. This isn't about quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent, savvy choices that will pay off in the long run. Think of your financial goals not as daunting obstacles, but as milestones on your journey. Maybe it's buying a home, starting a business, or achieving a comfortable retirement. These goals aren't achieved overnight, but by making steady progress over time. Patience plays a crucial role here. It's tempting to chase the latest fad in investing or to expect instant results. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial future. The magic of compound interest needs time to work its wonders, and above all, it's about balance. A well-diversified portfolio can help you weather the ups and downs of the market, and a steady savings plan can build a safety net for unexpected expenses. A long-term perspective can help you build sustainable wealth. The world of personal finance is ever evolving. Just as you wouldn't expect to navigate a city with an outdated map, you can't expect to navigate your financial journey with outdated information. It's essential to continuously educate yourself, staying informed about new investment opportunities, tax laws, and financial products. Think of this as an ongoing journey of discovery. Each day brings fresh knowledge, new insights, and opportunities to refine your financial strategy. This might involve reading books on personal finance, subscribing to financial blogs, or even attending financial seminars. Staying informed doesn't just mean keeping up with the latest trends. It's about understanding the financial landscape and how it can affect your personal situation. It's about learning how to adapt your financial strategy to changing circumstances. And remember, it's not about knowing everything. It's about being curious, asking questions, and seeking answers. Because when it comes to your financial well-being, knowledge is power. Stay informed to make the best financial decisions. Insurance is a vital part of personal finance. It's the safety net that catches you when life throws a curveball. Let's dive into why it's so crucial to have adequate insurance coverage. First up, health insurance. Our health is unpredictable and medical expenses can quickly pile up. Having a good health insurance plan can save you from the financial burden of unexpected health issues. Next, home and car insurance. Your home is likely your biggest asset, and your car isn't far behind. Protect these investments with policies that cover damage, theft, and liability. Lastly, life insurance. If you have dependents, life insurance is a must. It provides peace of mind knowing your loved ones won't be left in a financial bind if something were to happen to you. In conclusion, insurance isn't just about paying premiums. It's about safeguarding your financial well-being. Protecting your assets is a key part of securing your financial future. Personal finance might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. We've walked through the basics together, covering everything from budgeting to investing. We've underscored the importance of creating a budget, the first step in gaining control over your money. We've emphasized the necessity of an emergency fund, a safety net for unexpected expenses. We've tackled the burden of high-interest debt and how to eliminate it effectively. We've explored the world of saving and investing, the gateway to wealth accumulation. We've delved into the fundamentals of investment, the key to diversifying your financial portfolio. We've stressed the need for long-term financial goals, the compass that guides your money decisions. We've highlighted the power of continuous education, your tool for navigating the ever-evolving financial landscape. And lastly, we've underscored the role of insurance in protecting your hard-earned assets. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Take the first step today.